To get started, click the person next to the search box and click Sign Up. Woodworkingshop.com will require an email address for all orders placed. This email will only be used in-house for sending you tracking information, order status, or other communications with just your order. If you would like to receive promotional emails, Woodworkingshop.com will require you to click an area or enter your email address separately for these promotional emails. We'll also require your address and your phone number. Once you have all those filled out, click the CAPTCHA box and create account. If you've already created an account and you forgot about that, then you'll be notified by this box at the top that lets you know that either your email address has already been taken or that you've already created an account, in which case you can simply just say, I forgot my password, and then re-enter it. Shopping on woodworkingshop.com is extremely easy with our one-click Add to Cart. Simply click Add to Cart and the product automatically jumps into your cart and you're taken there. If you've done this by accident, you can easily remove it by clicking the red X next to the price and then clicking OK. Another great feature we have is our new Quick View. This will open a smaller box to give you all of the product details, up-close images, as well as add to cart and saving it to a wish list. If you'd like to share this on social media, we have links for that as well, but the Quick View is a nice way just to open it without opening a new tab. Adding to the wish list is very simple. All you have to do is click Add to Wish List. You select the wish list you'd have. If you don't have a wish list, you can easily create one right here. And then therefore you can keep together a nice list of everything that you want or are looking for in the future so you can easily find them later within your account. We've taken the filtering you loved and made it even better. With our quick drop-down navigation, you can now quickly get to the discs and sizes or belts and sheets that you're looking for faster and easier. With our Refine By, you can now select the grit, the hole pattern, how the discs connect, whether it's Klingon or PSA. So no matter your application, whether it's wood or metal, belts or sheets, discs, we have everything refined now so you can make your selection faster and easier than ever before. Now let's take a look at our new Smart Search Box. What this means is that no matter how you enter the product that you're looking for, it will start to figure out what it is that you mean. So therefore 5" by 8 discs, it'll automatically figure out you meant 5" by 8 whole discs. Then it'll give you a whole list of everything and then you can refine by what you're looking for. The days of dead-end searching have finally come to an end, and we can now search for what we're used to calling certain discs or belts or wide belts or pump sleeves, you name it, you'll be able to find it on woodworkingshop.com. The next menu we're going to talk about today is our Shop by Category menu. This is basically the quick drop-down navigation and a condensed version with pictures, so you can easily find the category you're looking for and then be able to pick the subcategory from there. So you could pick discs, for instance, and this will give you every disc that we have as an option, and then you can refine by on the left-hand side. Whichever way it makes it easier for you to be able to shop woodworkingshop.com, we have come up with 3 different ways to find the products that you're looking for to get your project done today.